Need to update your WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin? This quick guide will walk you through the steps to update it to the latest version in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Visit the site where you purchased the plugin, typically smackcoders.com. Log into your account. Navigate to My Account Downloads. Download the latest version of the WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin in .zip format. Step 2. Upload and replace the plugin in WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins sections, Installed Plugins. Before starting the manual update, you may notice an Update Available message for the WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin in your plugins list. This notification appears when WordPress detects a newer version is available. Now click Add Plugins. Click the Upload Plugin button at the top. Choose the .zip file you downloaded earlier. Click Install Now. When prompted, click Replace Current with Uploaded to overwrite the existing version. Step 3. Verify the update. After installation, click Go to Plugin Installer. Confirm that the WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro is now showing the updated version number. That's it, your plugin is now successfully updated and ready to use. Keeping your WordPress plugins up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and security fixes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.